In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15 and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First of all, pinch your display and then click on Settings at the bottom right corner. This way you will get access to this upsize slider. Operate it to change your icon size, and when you're ready, just go back. As you can see, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!